Get ready to flex your creative muscles with the innovative flexible KoalaPod from Benro. This versatile support system features flexible rubber legs and feet for security and stability almost anywhere. Snap selfies, tackle tabletop shots, or get grippy to something nearby. Whatever the scenario may be, the KoalaPod is the way to go. The KoalaPod is ideal for mobile devices and small compact cameras. The head features a 1/4-20 mounting thread with a built-in ball head to level your shot with ease. Go vertical and go live on social media, or make video calls on the go. The included auxiliary locking ring prevents stress on the legs, increasing its lifespan. When mounting to an object, simply insert the leg into the auxiliary lock ring and bend the leg to lock. A quick lock clamp is also included, which clips the legs together so they don't drift apart. 3 built-in accessory mounts allow you to add additional arms, mount audio gear, LED lights, and more. The KoalaPod is available standalone or in kit form. The standalone KoalaPod includes the quick lock clamp, an auxiliary locking ring, and drawstring bag. While the KoalaPod kit includes the quick lock clamp, auxiliary ring, as well as a folding phone clip, 2 additional expanding arms, and drawstring bag. By unscrewing the rubber feet, you will reveal the built-in screw and threads to connect the optional leg extension for gripping around larger objects. And when you're done shooting, throw your KoalaPod in the included drawstring bag and you're ready to move. No matter the shot or angle, don't fret. Let's go capture it with the Benro KoalaPod.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. For more of the latest and greatest on camera support gear, subscribe to our Benro YouTube channel.